right, here we are, Monday morning. Elements of Democracy, everybody. Page 10. Okay. We got all kinds of stuff here, like the rule of law and political equality and personal freedoms and all that. But I want you to look at common good today. It says, democratic citizens should work toward the common good and what will make the most people safe, secure, and happy. They should have a sense of responsibility and caring for others. So I've got a special lesson about caring and happiness and all that stuff. Okay, so we're going to sing a song called Ducks Like Rain. It's by a guy named Franciscus, who's a crazy guy somewhere else on YouTube. Good guy. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Are you ready? You got your voices all?
Ready?
Ready?
Don't screw it up.
1, 2, 1, 2.
Ducks like rain, ducks like rain, ducks like to waddle in the rain. Ducks like rain, ducks like rain, ducks like to whittle on the water, eating in the puddles. Ducks like to whittle, waddle in the rain. Quack, 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 quack. Ducks like rain, ducks like rain, ducks like to squishy splashy in the rain. Ducks like rain, ducks like rain, ducks like to whittle on the water, deep in the puddles. Ducks like to whittle on in the rain.
Well, now, I was walking on Southern Avenue by my daughter's house, and it was a rainy day. Now, she's got a river that makes the backyard, so it was kind of a really wet day. And I decided not to run in from the rain, so I was just sort of standing out in the rain. I haven't really done that for a long time, but I was standing outside in the rain, wondering what to do, and then I look on the sidewalk, and guess what I see? I see
A carrot.
I've never seen a duck walking down the sidewalk before, and I thought, well, this is kind of cool. It was a very, very, very distinguished duck. It was one of those mandarin ducks. Well, anyway, so here's my golden opportunity. So I go up and I ask the duck, Mr. Duck,